Welcome to Kishore Snake Pathshala. In this video, we will deal with certain numericals involving dimensional analysis. This is the first numerical. See here that is this equation correct? They are asking. Force is equal to momentum by time. What is the force formula? Which is ma, and momentum is mv, time is t. So force is m into L t power minus 2 is the acceleration's dimension. Momentum is m, velocity is distance by time, that is L t power minus 1 by time, which comes out to be m L t power minus 2. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence this equation is dimensionally correct. Okay. This type of numericals is commonly asked in NEET exam. A body of mass m moves in a circular path with speed v and radius r. Find the centripetal force acting on the particle if force depends on m, v and r. We have given that force depends on mass, velocity and radius. Mass power b a, velocity power b and or radius power b c. We are adding a dimensional constant k, m power a, v power b and r power c. Let k is equal to 1. So F is equal to mass dimension formula is m power a, velocity dimensional formula is L t power minus 1 power b, and radius formula dimensional formula is L power c. Force formula is m L t power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for force, that is equal to m power a into L power b t power minus b into L power c. That comes out to be m power a L power b plus c. This one and this one we are adding into t power minus b. Now let us equate the things. Mass power is a, here the mass power is 1, so a is equal to 1. Here length power is b plus c, here L's power is 1, so b plus c is equal to 1. Here teeth power is minus 2, here teeth power is minus b, so minus b is equal to minus 2, which is nothing but b is equal to 2. This we are substituting here. 2 plus c is equal to 1, so c is equal to minus 1. All these a, b and c value we are substituting in this equation. F is equal to 1 into m power a value is 1, v power b value is 2, and c r power c, r value is minus 1, that is equal to mv square. We are bringing r to the denominator, mv square by r. This is the formula for centripetal force. Okay, this is a common type of numerical. Let us move on for the next numerical. See, they have given potential energy U is equal to a root power a root x divided by x square plus b. U is potential energy, x is the distance or length, and a and b are dimensional constants they have given. They are asking to find the value of product dimensional formula for the product AB. Okay. Now let us crisscross this thing. U into x square plus ub is equal to a root x. Okay. U is nothing but potential energy. Potential energy or kinetic energy or total energy, whatever be the form, it has the dimensional formula m L square t power minus 2. This will be clear when you are doing work, energy and power chapter. Okay. So ml square t power minus 2 into x square is L, which is distance, plus m L square t power minus 2 into, we do not know the dimensional formula for B. So just we are writing B, and A we do not know, and L power 1 by 2. Since all these, they must have the same dimensional formula according to the rules, we are equating that m L power 4 t power minus 2 plus m L square t power minus 2 into B, that is equal to A into L power 1 by 2. Now we are equating this one and this one. M L power 4 and into t is equal to m L square t power minus 2 into B. Since all the terms in an equation must have the same dimensional formula. The dimensional formula for B comes out to be L square now let us equate this thing and this thing. M L power 4 t power minus 2 is equal to A into L power 1 by 2. M into L power 4 minus 1 by 2 into t power minus 2, that is equal to A. So M into L power 8 minus 1 by 2, that is 7 by 2 into t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for A. They are asking what is the form for AB, product value they are asking. So M L power 7 by 2 into t power minus 2, to dimensional formula of B is L square, which comes out to be M L power 11 by 2 into t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for AB. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please like, share and comment and subscribe Kishore Snake Pathshala. Thank you.